everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a room tour for you. Now, as you all know, I moved to Milton Keynes about 4 months ago and I have been living with a lovely family in like a house share. I'm in a townhouse. I'm currently on the top floor in like the loft kind of thing, so it's like a loft conversion. And yeah, I just really thought that there was no better time to do a room tour, as I've never done one of these videos and this room is just so nice. By the time you watch this, it probably would have been Christmas, so I really hope you have been loving the Christmas festivities and you've had a wonderful time with all your friends and family. I'm going to film this video in like a vlog kind of style because it's probably just easier to just manoeuvre around the room. I really hope you like this video, so without further ado, let's get straight into it. So this is where I actually come in. This is the main door, and then you just literally come up the stairs here. I've actually just moved my little halogen heater. This just heats me up a little bit because you would think like the heat would rise, but actually in this room I tend to get like a little bit cold even though I've got radiators and stuff like that. So yeah, I've got my little halogen heater. So yeah, this is the stairway. As you can see, I've just got some festive lighting going on, but I love fairy lights all the time, so to be honest with you, I'm probably going to keep these out when I move into my new flat. So this is where I normally just hang up all my washing, and I always keep my lights here, my box lights. I actually want to get some more lighting for my YouTube videos, but at the moment these have been working wonders. I've had these now for about 1.5 years and they've just lasted me such a long time. I've never changed the light bulbs or anything. I absolutely love them, and to be perfectly honest with you, I'm so lazy when it comes to taking them down. I just can never be bothered, so I just keep them in my room all the time. So I don't quite know how that's going to work out in like the new flat and stuff like that, because my room there is a little bit smaller. So, and yeah, storage is obviously going to be super tight, so maybe I'm going to have to just become not as lazy and just dismantle them and then put them back together when I need them. So yeah, that's my little storage area. Down here I've just got my little mini kitchen going on. I've got my own kettle and I've got a mini fridge. Also, it's been Christmas, so of course I've needed some festive chocolate. I have been addicted to these recently. I literally am in love with them. So now I'm just going to show you like a general overview of the room. And this is what it looks like. So as I said before, it's like this whole grey and white theme, which I absolutely love. I just think it's so pretty. It just makes everything feel like really fresh. This bed is so gorgeous as well. This gorgeous, it's like a velour type material. I'm going to come up close. Really nice and super cozy. I'm forever just sitting and chilling on my bed. I've still got some fairy lights up and everything like that. And this was my little mini tree. I couldn't go without a tree this year. So coming over here to my first dressing table then, like I said, I've got the tree, I've got a little Christmas card from one of my work colleagues. I really like these lampshades. Now obviously these are theirs, but I've seen these in IKEA and I'm going to get them myself for my new room to come because I just think they're really nice and they're really good price as well. I think they're like £16 or something like that. If you want to see me do like a homeware haul or something like that, then do let me know, because I'm going to be getting an awful lot of homey type bits for the flat. So yeah, let me know if you want to see that. And then I've also got this amazing candle. This is from New Look. Well, that's what my sister got me for my birthday. So if you haven't already seen my what I got for my birthday and Christmas kind of video, then do check that out. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's called Winter Glow and it smells like gingerbread and all things spicy and autumny, so and wintry. So yeah, if you want winter and Christmas basically in a candle, then that is your one. Now these I believe are also from IKEA. Now in the top drawer I haven't really got anything exciting in here, I have to admit. In the top one I normally keep my SD cards in here. I've got a fair few and it's just easy to grab when I need to, and also my contact lenses. Now underneath my little slidey drawer I've just got some bits and pieces really. I've got my hard drives here, I've got my Lumi case, and in here I've just got little bits and pieces like health related. So I've got like paracetamols and Lemsips and stuff like that, and I've also got my Bassett's adults multivitamins. So then on the bottom I've just got various bits and pieces in here. I've got my pajamas and I've got a few little notebooks, and I've also got 2 books. One, this is the highway code, because this year in 2018 I am determined to learn to drive. It is about time that I did it. I've also got this amazing book. I thoroughly enjoyed reading this. It's The Life-Changing Magic of Not Giving a Beep. I'm a person that unfortunately gives a lot of beeps, so yeah, reading that book has definitely helped me to try and prioritise what I need to give a beep about. And if you're like me and are exactly the same and give too many beeps, then yeah, I highly recommend that book. So then I come to the bed. I've got my fluffy pillow over there, which I like to call Mallow. Who names their pillows? I don't know, but I do, and that one's called Mallow. I got that one from Primark and I absolutely love it. My blue bedding I actually got from Asda, and the pillowcases, I can't quite remember where I got those from because they're so old now. I think they were either Debenhams or Dunelm. I don't quite remember. I've had them for quite a while now, but yeah, I love the blue and pink kind of thing. And this is my trusty old throw as well. I've had this for an awfully long time. I got this in Primark. So coming over here to my second chest of drawers. Over here I've just got a picture of me and my sister. I love her to pieces. She is my favourite, so I have to carry her around. I've also got a Christmas card from my company. This little guide which my mum got me just to decorate my room. And I've also got another candle which I've actually had lit for a fairly long time. As you can see, it's kind of like all burnt out, but I love this pretty pink colour. It's worked really well in this room, and I love the smell. I can't remember exactly what it's called, but it's nice and sweet. So in the top drawer, I literally just, this is where I keep all my makeup bits and pieces that I use on a day-to-day basis. My makeup brushes, my little bunny. I've had this guy since I was very young. My mummy got him for me, and yeah, he just comes with me everywhere. And then I've got my glasses case, and generally this is just like a makeup kind of bits and pieces drawer. And then on the bottom I literally just have some really random things in here. I've got a filer which just keeps all my bank bits and pieces. I've got a notepad which I'm just using for like my to-do lists, some colouring pencils as I really want to start drawing, and I've just got my jewellery at the bottom. Okay, so I'm now going to start with the wardrobes over here. Please do not judge me when I show you these wardrobes. I try my best with them, but yeah, I've realised since living in a big room that I still have too much stuff, so getting my own place is kind of essential. At the ripe old age of 28, I feel like, yeah, I need my own place, massively. Okay, so let's start with the first wardrobe. So right at the top, I have actually packed my overnight bag, which is just stored right at the top there. And then, rather squished, I just have all of my jeans up there. So that's where I keep all my trousers and my jeans. In here, this is where I keep all my coats. This is my new favourite coat, which I'm loving at the moment. This is from Topshop. It's just really super smart, and yeah, it works really well for me going to work. It's nice and warm, and it just looks super smart. So yeah, really enjoying that. So yeah, I have quite a few coats now. This is my big chunky one. I've got my jackets, and then I've got some of my blazers as well. At the bottom, I did have my shoes all nice and neat and tidy. This is why I said, please do not judge me. It just kind of has become a little bit cluttered, and I wanted to be completely real with you. So that is exactly what my shoes look like currently. They are not in any type of order. They're just kind of chucked in. Okay, so coming into the second wardrobe, again, more shoes chucked at the bottom. Lovely. So just starting over here, I've got some dresses and some casual tops. So this is just my like work kind of casual wear. And then I've got some more like going out kind of dresses over here. These are just for like on the odd occasion. I don't particularly wear a lot of these anymore. I don't really go out an awful lot anymore, but when I do, then yeah, I've got an array of going out kind of dresses. Okay, so coming into the last section, I'm not really going to show you what's in here because, well, okay, I can, but there's nothing exciting, particularly where I just store all my luggage, like all my suitcases and some boxes and storage and stuff like that. So yeah, but they're both attached together. So in this one, this is just where I keep all of my tops. So there you go. Not the neatest of storage areas, and I definitely have too many, which I definitely do not wear even half of these. So I need to kind of do like a sale, or yeah, and get rid of a load of stuff and sell it on, because yeah, over the last, I don't know, I would say a good 6-7 years, I've kind of just like hoarded everything, and I haven't kind of gone through everything. So that is definitely something that I need to do ASAP. And then just on the bottom here, I have some jumpers. I have a little bit more storage, like a going away bag again down there. And yeah, I just have some jumpers. This one is my all-time favourite. I've got like a jumper dress as well. So yeah, that is just my jumper area. I definitely just said that as if that was my only jumper area. I lied. Onto the drawers. So as you can see over this side I've got a telly. This isn't actually mine, I need to get my own one for when I go to the new flat. And I absolutely love it, it's such a good telly. So yeah, I really need to invest in one. Just coming around the side over here, this is where I keep my camera. So this is the 70D, this is what I film all of my YouTube videos. Apart from, I'm currently filming on the Canon G7X Mark II. That's what I film for like all my vlogs and all my out and about kind of like travel videos. Just because the 70D is just really, really heavy. And I've also got like a Sigma lens on it as well. So yeah, uber heavy, and I just can't be hiking that thing about. I absolutely love this camera. If you want to know more about all my equipment and stuff like that and you want me to rate it, then do let me know at some point. This is the Sigma lens as well. I just absolutely love this thing. It's an amazing lens to have. Over here I've got like a little festive thing going on. My candles are just slowly melted together. These are 2 Christmas candles from Yankee. I think this is the Christmas tree one, and I can't quite remember what this one is, but it smells absolutely divine. I just got a couple of berries as well, and I got this little guy. I haven't actually named him. But yeah, I saw him and I just thought he was so super pretty. This is just where I keep my laptop as well. I don't really have anywhere to put it in the room, so at night time if it's not on my bed I just store it up here, and my phone as well. I just got this cute little deer. I love deers, and yeah, I just thought it looked really, really nice in my room. Over here I love my coppery rose gold jewellery holder. In here I've just got my Michael Kors watch, which I got for my birthday, and also my Pandora ring from my sister, which I also love. Okay, so now onto the drawers. The first top drawer. At the back here I've just got some fake nails. I've got my packs of eyelashes in here. At the front I've got some perfumes, I've got some hair bits and pieces, my trusty Paul Mitchell serum, and also some micellar water. I've also got my eyeshadow palettes, my favourite ones, some underwear. This is where I keep all my electronics, like for my hair, so my hairdryer, GHDs, curlers, etc. I've got some hair extensions in here. My hair is actually ridiculously long. I don't actually need these, but it just thickens it out. So on the odd occasion, if I'm like going out, then I will wear them. Some deodorant bits and pieces, some more hair stuff, and my socks. Then in this drawer, I just have a load of scarves. I am an absolute scarf hoarder. So that's in that drawer, and some just more underwear bits. Ah, get out of here. Got some more festive decoration because I thought they were so cute. So in here, I just have more and more jumpers. I've got some shift dresses, jumper dresses, and yeah, just crop jumpers, the lot. So yeah, I have an awful lot of jumpers, and again, I think when the winter season comes to an end, I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm really gonna keep and what I'm gonna give away. Okay, so moving on then into the little ensuite. Being in a house share, I have to say, like, I was more worried about it, and actually doing it, it's really not been bad at all. I've been living with a family, which has been really, really nice. I felt really, really safe here, and they're just so lovely as well. But definitely a massive perk for me has been having my own ensuite as well. I mean, this room is amazing, but having that ensuite, I just feels like that more personal. So when you're sharing a bathroom with people you don't really know, like, that's just a little bit too far for me. So having this has just been an absolute dream. So moving on actually into the ensuite then. So this is what it looks like when you come in. I've just got a nice little shower area, and just down here I've just got all my favourite shampoos and conditioners and body scrubs and stuff like that. So that's what it looks like, nice and modern. Got a cute little bath mat as well. This is my sink area, and just here I've got some fake tan which I've used recently, and my toothpaste and my contact solution, Lizelle cleanse and polish, and also the Clinique moisture set. I'm now onto my second one of these. I really, really like it for my skin. That is me. Hello, hello. This is a cute little light. It actually lights up down here, but I don't really use it all that much. It doesn't give too much of a light, but it's kind of cute. A quick little outfit of the day. I got this new top. This is from Primark. It was £6. I really like the cute little ruffles and thrills on the top and on the bottom. And then on the bottom, I'm just wearing some Zara jeans. And then my slips are from Primark. Obviously I've got the toilet area, and then over here what I need to do, particularly in the new flat, is I'm going to get some storage to just make sure this area is just completely like clear in my new bathroom, because this looks so cluttered. But I like to have some candles in here just because it's mood. I've got some wipes and stuff like that just for the bathroom. In here I've just got some makeup and bits and pieces, and this little pot over here I've just got some nail varnishes, and then over here I've just got some face products and hair bits and pieces. So there you go, one last time, that is my little room.
So there you go guys, that was my room tour. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did. Also, when I move into the new year, if you would like to see like a moving kind of vlog or another room tour, then do let me know down in the comment section below. Also, let me know of any other videos that you would like to see me do in the new year, any other ideas or just videos that I haven't actually done yet, so do let me know once again down in the comments. Also, come the new year, do bear with me because I haven't actually got Wi-Fi yet, but as soon as I do, then it'll be absolutely fine and you will have an upload. But yeah, currently I do not have Wi-Fi, so until I get that sorted, just bear with me. Once again guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really hope that 2018 is going to be an absolute corker for you and that you are ready for it. Let me know a highlight of yours for 2017, as I would absolutely love to know down in the comments. Lots of love to all of you guys, and thank you again for watching, and I will see you next time with my next video. See you later everyone. Bye!